Hey y'all, welcome to my very first product review episode on AllieCat Customs, and today I'm doing a product review on this PTC torque converter that's going in this bad little Firebird sitting on my lift. All right, y'all, since this is James's converter going in his bad little Firebird, I'm gonna let him come over here and tell us all the specs on this converter, since he was the one that actually ordered it and spent all of his money. Let him do all the fancy talking. So come on over here, James.
Absolutely.
All right, so what's the specs on this converter?
So that converter there was custom spec for my setup from PTC. It's a 9.5 inch that's going to be mounted up to a 6.0 LS turbocharged with Turbo 400 transmission.
Right. And how do you order from PTC?
So basically with PTC, whereas I know in this day and time, so many people, they just go online, go on Jeg, Summit, whatever,
Right.
and just say, okay, I want something for Turbo 400, just hit submit and done. With PTC, you actually talk to a live person, you actually call, tell them what your power goals are, and then they custom spec it for you. And that basically asks you the general question, what's going in, what you're expected to make power wise, and they'll get you taken care of.
Right. That's a good thing to have nowadays, because trying to order from blind online buying services is annoying.
Yeah.
So it's got the anti-balloon plates and all that fancy stuff.
Oh yeah, it's built to handle some power for sure.
Well, good. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing bolted in here. So I want to see if we can put a comma on that horsepower numbers.
Let's see if we can make it happen for sure.
Get on a track, see if we actually have to tune the suspension more, get the nose down.
I'll take it.
So all right, let's get it bolted in.
Let's make it happen.
So James, now that you got the car together, you put a couple hundred miles on it and take it to the track. Mm-hmm. Tell us what you think about the converter and all.
So when we first got the converter put in, it worked flawlessly. Went through the gears good. The car felt great. I do drive this car into town, so I took it into town and drove it around and checked everything out, and the car was going through the gears good. And
it's actually a grocery getter.
So yeah, I mean, I've legit taken this car and gone and got groceries in it, and I don't just drag race it. I free drive and I enjoy it.
Yep, drive it all over the place. Mm-hmm. So one thing we haven't talked about is the fact that PTC, we found out as we were comparing the converters going to install it, measuring everything, was that the PTC actually has the snout on it that locates in the back of the crank was made specifically for the LS. Mm-hmm. So you don't have to use an adapter.
Right.
Whereas the Durabuilt, it was a basic Turbo 400. It could have been used for like a big block or a small block. It had the shorter snout on it to use with the older generation engines, and then you use an adapter, and that's a very common thing.
Yeah, very common.
But I thought it was pretty trick that PTC did that. That was pretty neat, and you have that adapter sitting in your toolbox for another build.
So actually that adapter went with I actually ended up selling the Durabuilt converter to another friend of mine. It's going in his mildly built drag car, and he's also got an LS Turbo 400 type setup. So that's now went with that torque converter. So
hey, make it more race car.
Absolutely.
And that's, we talked about that. It's impossible to do an A to B comparison because, like you said, it's like apples and oranges.
Right.
The Durabuilt converter was built for one setup. Your PTC is built for another setup.
Right.
And like I say, you wanted to use PTC because you liked the company, and they're one of the top companies and stuff. So why not try them out? So
Absolutely.
And you like the customer service and everything. So
yeah, for sure. And it is cool that that they are a southern-based company as well. They're located in Muscle Shoals, Alabama.
Right.
So for us, that's just a couple hours.
Yeah.
Couple hours across the way.
Yeah, right, just north of us.
Yeah.
So and just recently we saw that the original owner retired. He sold to another racer.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to see what they do and stuff, and see how the company grows from there, and see how much more speed stuff they come up with. So I hope y'all enjoyed this review, and like I say, you're happy with the converter, and y'all keep on coming back to watch this car if you've seen this review, and follow more of the build series in this car, and see if we can actually get this car this year into the high fives.
Yeah.
Make a 590 out of this car.
Absolutely.
And you've got a whole lot more tricks up your sleeve on this car for next year. So
yeah. Okay.
So
always
anyways, faster. Oh yeah. So anyways, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and keep on coming back right here at AllieCat Customs.